Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to private your Instagram profile. First step is open your Instagram app on your mobile device. Then tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then tap three horizontal line at the top right. Then tap setting is the first option. Then tap privacy is the third option. Then you can see account privacy. Tap privacy account toggle on. Then tap switch to private. If you are agree, you want to review your followers and privacy, then tap review followers and go back and you can see your profile is private.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.